Exciting news often come from unexpected sources. And that is why I was immediately hooked when I read about SanDisk's new offering, which is a high bandwidth flash which could be a game changer for AI models and the way we do inference with them. And more importantly, it could be a potential rival to NVIDIA. This is Fahad Mirza and I welcome you to the channel. In this video, we are going to have an in-depth but simplistic overview of this new offering from SanDisk. SanDisk has just unveiled its high bandwidth flash or HBF as they are calling it, setting the stage for a potential shift in AI hardware dynamics where NVIDIA currently dominates. This new offering or new memory technology could offer substantial advantages for running AI models, challenging existing norms with its unique architecture. So, first, let's try to understand what exactly is this high bandwidth flash. High bandwidth flash or HBF is a SanDisk's latest memory architecture that combines the storage capacity of 3D NAND flash with high bandwidth characteristics typically associated with high bandwidth memory or HBM. By stacking 16 layers of 3D NAND dies and incorporating through silicon vias or TSVs, HBF creates intricate data pipelines that significantly enhance bandwidth while maintaining the storage density and cost effectiveness of this NAND. If you don't know who SanDisks are, they are not new. They are quite a force in memory technologies and they have been instrumental in developing and popularizing flash storage solutions since its inception. Previously, they were part of Western Digital. SanDisk has consistently pushed the boundaries of what's possible with that flash memory, making it a household name in consumer and enterprise storage solution. Now, there are various advantages of this new HPF. First and foremost, there is increased capacity. HBF provides 8 to 16 times more capacity per stack compared to existing HBM solutions. This means that larger AI models such as Llama, GPT-4, they can be stored directly on GPU hardware, simplifying architecture and reducing cost. By allowing random and parallel access to numerous sub-arrays within each die, HBF significantly boosts bandwidth. This is critical for AI inference tasks, enabling faster data processing and more efficient execution of complex models. Then, of course, maintaining the economics of NAND flash while reaching the bandwidth level of HBM could dramatically lower the cost barriers associated with AI processing, and this might reduce reliance on expensive multi GPU setups. Nothing against Nvidia, but Nvidia definitely has monopoly, which is never good. Nvidia has held a strong position in AI space largely due to its GPU's ability to efficiently handle parallel processing tasks vital for AI models, but this often requires costly HBM to support high bandwidth needs. SanDisk's HBF could level the playing field by offering a high capacity alternative at potentially lower costs. This threatens NVIDIA's monopoly by making high performance AI more accessible and cost effective. If HBF can deliver on its promise, it might encourage the development of new hardware solutions that could compete directly with NVIDIA's offering, especially in AI inference applications. So we may be a new player because Intel, AMD is not going anywhere really at the moment. So I believe that SanDisk's introduction of high bandwidth flash signals a potentially transformative shift in AI hardware, and by marrying the expansive capacity and cost effectiveness of this NAND with high bandwidth capabilities, HBF promises to enhance efficiency and reduce the cost of running AI models. As this technology develops, it will be crucial to watch how it influences the market and whether it can challenge the current dominance of NVIDIA in the AI space. Maybe SanDisk could join forces with Intel, AMD, or any other new player to offer a comprehensive solution as an alternate to NVIDIA. This is going to take time, but at least someone should take some steps now. or maybe they could join hands with someone else, or maybe they could come up with their own GPU card with this HBF. What do you think? I'm very keen to hear your thoughts on it because you guys always provide a very insightful comment. So please feel free to share your thoughts on it. Now, this video is not at all sponsored by SanDisk. This video is sponsored by Agent Bot, who have nothing to do with SanDisk. Agent Bot lets you effortlessly deploy a personalized knowledge bot across platforms like Discord, Slack, and others. It is ideal for open source tech communities and startups that provide user support, and I will drop the link to their website in video's description. If you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. If you're already subscribed, please share it among your network as it helps a lot. Thank you for watching.